we can. Oh no, not again. This is worse than before. Shut the meat temple and hammers. Abandon the ship. Head for the south on the hills. That wasn't so hard to find. Though, should the meat timbers, the strum-string jungle is starting to sink. We best hurry. Eat, we run far, was it? Whoa! Yo ho, YTO. Come on, the iron is sinking. May I would fully. Huh? What? Fast. From the Yeti and the yard. Miss Cookie be right. The bamboo force we sinking. Head for a high ground. Factor to the fire. Me. We're almost out of time. After that skywig. Uh-oh, what's going on? Ah! Oh, Toodles. What? Did it Toodles? Toodles is big now because we're small.